Hey, okay, so I did these spring carnival freestyle nails. Let's get into it. Jumping right into it, I'm using my nude color, custom color, once again, Spangled Banner. It's a nude with glitter, you know, your classic nude, pinky background with some glitter in it, period. I believe 2 nails on each hand will be nude and the other 3 will be a different color. I have a lot of videos that need to be edited and a lot of videos that are edited but needed a voiceover. Again, voiceovers are kicking my ass. I'm feeling like I have anxiety for real because why can't I talk to y'all? I would do nails perfectly fine, but once I start a video to video myself doing the nails, it's like I don't even know how to make the perfect acrylic to monomer ratio bead. Like I could just do everything perfectly fine and be acting like I'm speaking to somebody and the camera's not set up or whatever, and I'd be like, yeah, whatever the case may be. But once I start that camera, or once I have to sit down and actually take a voice recording, like it takes me mad long to make a voice recording. And y'all are hearing this because I'm ranting right now. Like I'm tired. Like I dead ass made mad voiceovers and none of them is really giving what it's supposed to give, you know? So I feel like I gotta rant. But anywho, that pinky nail is all glow in the dark colors. Well, the pink glows in the dark. I don't think everything else glows in the dark. The rest are pastel colors. The pink glows in the dark. I'm doing the same thing for the middle finger. As for the thumbs, I'm doing like a type of tie-dye type of tee, but like a diagonal tie-dye type of tee instead of like how the pinky fingers and the middle finger is like a sporadic, like a random tie-dye. This is gonna be more diagonal. And then the nude is gonna be in the top left. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna encapsulate all the tie-dye nails on both hands. Again, I do all my filing off camera, and now it's time for the flowers. So I'm doing two-toned flowers, but it's going to be white and blue, pink and white, and then yellow and white.
You know who made it.
I added my same gel glue for rhinestones that I always use off camera, and now I'm just going to place the rhinestones in the designated spots, which are like in between the flower petals, if that makes sense, with a wax stick. They're AB Swarovskis, I believe in sizes 16, 10 or 12, and 5. I don't know what angle to film nail art while I'm in the process of doing it without blocking the camera at any given moment. But I'm just doing some like nail art, some swirls and stuff with some white gel, and then I'm going to cure it. And then when it still has a tacky layer, when I take it back out of the gel, the LED lamp, sorry. I'm just going to use some pigment powders that match the colors of the tie-dyes that I used before and just dot that on top.
You know who made it.
Everything else from here is pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, I'm just fixing like some small blings on the pinky. On this finger, I'm going to do this abstract, you know, like the little line drawing around the nail. And then I'm going to add some small bling at the cuticle. So everything else is basically like little small bling from here on out. And boom, a little alcohol to clean up her nails and all the debris. If you've gotten this far, thanks for watching. All of my socials and links are in the description below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all the tea, and here's a little thumb action. Bye, guys. P.S. All cuticle oils can be purchased via DM at NailedbyNIKK on IG.